Hey folks, welcome back to the R&J channel.
I'm R.
And I'm Jay. Today we are resetting the maintenance required light in a 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. You don't need any tools for this process.
And this is a handy thing to know how to do because maybe you do your own oil changes and you can reset the light after you've done your oil change. Or in this car in particular, after the car was built, we got a letter from Toyota factory saying that the interval for oil changes was extended. So this light actually comes on prematurely and it has to be reset. And as Jay said, you don't need any tools or any scanning equipment. All you need is the ignition key. And what we're going to do for this is we're going to put the ignition in our on position. And then if you look over here, we see our odometer. We're going to make sure that we're in trip A. So we're going to press this until we see trip A come up. Then it's turn off. So we're in trip A. The next step is I'm going to hold that reset button down, and now I'm going to turn the ignition to the on position. What you want to take a look at is the odometer. When I go into the on position, you see the odometer starts flashing. Those little bars are one by one going away, and you get 0, 0, 0, 0. When that happens, our reset light is now reset. So if you look to the left, you see that the reset light is now off, and the car will reset that light to whatever the factory set interval is. This procedure is handy. John and I have a 2008 Yaris that we've worked on, and the procedure is exactly the same in that car to reset the light. So this is very handy to know how to do on your own. No tools, very simple.
Thank you so much for joining us this time, guys. Maybe leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.